The colon helps flush out the toxin and waste from our body. It helps keep the body its electrolyte balance by absorbing salt and water. While regular bowel movement does help in elimination waste and toxin material from the body, it is still important to cleanse the colon regularly to remove trapped toxins that attach themselves to the colon walls. When the colon is not cleaned thoroughly, the buildup of the toxin in the colon walls can trigger health conditions such as diarrhea, constipation, cold, headache, fatigue, indigestion, joint pain, allergies, memory loss, stress, and vision problems. Colon cleansing literally means cleaning and removing the trapped toxin from your colon. There are also organic remedies that you can do at home. Eating vegetables and fruit that are high in fiber. Vegetables are highly effective in eliminating trapped waste and toxins from our colon. Fruit and vegetables are rich in fiber, help keep our colon clean by flushing out toxins regularly. It is important to have fiber-rich fruit such as apple, raspberry, prunes, pear, etc., and vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, pear, etc. in daily diet. By eating this regularly, you are already preventing the buildup of toxin in your colons. Sea salt. This remedy is not for people who have high blood pressure or other heart conditions. Ask your physician first. Fill an empty glass with water, sugar content in a pot, and let it boil. As the water is boiling, put in a tablespoon of sea salt and let it boil some more. After a few seconds, set the pot aside and let it cool for a bit. Slowly sip the water. You feel a bit nauseous after sipping the salt water, so lie down and rest. You will then feel the need to go to the comfort room. Get enough rest during the remaining hour of the day. For this reason, it's better to do this remedy during the weekend. Apple. You probably heard it countless times. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Fresh apples are effective in getting rid of trapping toxin material in our colon. Treat yourself to a glass of fresh apple juice when you wake up in the morning. Chase it down with a glass of warm water after. By drinking at least 3 to 4 glasses of fresh apple juice daily, you improve your waste elimination and bowel movement. Water. It is important that we hydrate ourselves daily so the different organs in our body can function properly. The recommended daily intake of the water is 8 to 10 glasses. By drinking enough water, you are stimulating the natural peristaltic action of your colon, which then allow it to function normally. You may also drink fresh vegetable and fruit juices, coconut water, fresh lemon juice, etc. Try to stay away from soda and colas. That is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Hey everybody, if it is the first time you just watched this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to the channel to make sure you won't miss the new release video.